Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today I'm checking out this brand new 2026 Sunseeker 2400BDS Class C Motorhome. This is on the Mercedes chassis. It is a 2 slide out rear bedroom motorhome here. We're going to take a few minutes here, kind of run you through the inside and outside of the RV and really kind of show you what it's all about. So let's start actually in the inside here for you. Then we'll come on back to the outside and check this out. But stepping up into your new Sunseeker motorhome, right here, the house batteries are going to be just down below. You do have a little fuse panel down here. This one was ordered with auto level jacks, so controls are here. Awning controls, some light switches, motion light, solar charge controller stuff. There is an extension on the side right there to flip up. This was ordered with the theater seat setup right here, and you got the little end tables there that you can remove, but these are kind of nice, giving you a little place to put your drinks or sit down and eat. A little bit of storage in there, USB charger ports also right there. But that sofa is its own little slide out section right there. There's overhead cabinets up above. You will also have a little end table down here as well for some storage. Now that looks directly across to the 32-inch 12-volt powered Connects smart TV over there. And that is on a swing arm, so you can kind of move that around if you want to. Shameless plug, it's currently playing my All About RVs YouTube channel. If you don't mind, please remember to smash the like button. Subscribe if you haven't done so already to keep up with more videos. Kitchen area also over here. You have some overhead cabinet space. You have a very nice large window there at the sink area that does open up. You have a pull down screen and a pull up nightshade. High rise sprayer faucet. Pop up electric outlet right there with USB charger ports and a wireless charge pad on it. Undermount sink, induction stovetop. Looking down below here, you can see the Greystone convection microwave oven system, along with a couple drawers, full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers, some storage under there. Heat ducts are all coming out of the cabinetry area. They're not in the main floor. Over here, you're going to have a 10 cubic foot Furrion 12-volt powered refrigerator. So you do have the refrigerator part on top, pull-out freezer drawer on the bottom. There is an electric box with breakers and fuses down below. Over here, you have another slide out, which is basically your bed area right here. And you got a little end table there. Window does open, that big one in the back. The one on the left does not. They both have the shades to pull up and down in there as well. Now, these windows are kind of like an acrylic dual pane window, kind of a Euro style window. There's also some storage here in the center section, kind of splitting the two slides apart. On your bed area, underneath the bottom, there's storage for you to stash some goodies down there. There is electric outlet and USB charger ports on both sides of the bed base. Back here, you are going to have a 12-volt powered 27-inch Connects smart TV. Same TV basically that this one was ordered with on the outside as well. You'll see when we get back outside. Electric outlet over there. The AC and furnace controls right there. The bedroom slide control light switch. There is also a lot of cabinet space back here for some of your clothes and stuff. Couple big drawers and storage space all right here. And those cabinets did light up as well. There's little lights in there. Looking up at our ceiling right here, you can see a roof vent there. You have the GE ducted AC system right there and a large turbo exhaust fan. But what do you guys think of the look of like the cabinetry, the flooring and stuff? Do you like this layout? Back here is going to be your bathroom area right here. So in the very back, you got the skylight up above, ABS tub surround for your step-in shower with the pull-across vinyl door. You do have a porcelain foot flush toilet. And then you're going to have the sink area right here. We're going to step in here and kind of spin around and let you look at it from another direction here. But that does have a little vent fan up there. So just kind of climbing up in here in the shower area. Kind of looking on back. We got little flip down like hook holders here for like your robe or whatever, towels. You have the medicine cabinet right here. And you're going to have some storage below the sink area there. Little sink cover also. And you got a motion light and heat duct down there. So there is an AC duct and heat duct both in this bathroom. I like that. That means when you open up the door, it shouldn't be an oven in here in the summertime. I hate when you go to some of these RVs and basically go in there to take a shower, try and cool off on a hot day. And you basically walk into an oven, because there are quite a few brands that don't put AC ducts in their bathrooms. It drives me nuts. Now looking up here, this part has changed. Check this out. So this has like a big bubble up roof section right here. It's kind of an ABS dome, I guess you would call it, that goes across here. So they changed that up, giving you more height in this area. And you have this little bunk area up here. There's a ladder. I forgot to mention it was in the closet back there. You've seen that back in that section. That hooks on right here. So you can get up here and do what you need to do for sleeping and stuff. There's a little cubby area over here as well. These windows up there also open, and again, they are those acrylic dual pane windows. Now, when traveling, if you want, this right here can actually come up out of the way. So you can kind of get that out of your way, giving you more headroom feel up here. You have little shelf things up here. Again, this is on that Mercedes diesel chassis. A very nice setup here. When you do purchase from, say, Couch's RV Nation, for example, they do kind of go over all of this stuff. Backup cameras, side cameras, all right there in that what appears to be a rear view mirror, but is actually a monitor screen. These two seats right here, they're power seats. They do spin around so you can use them when you're camping, and they're also heated. Over here is going to be some controls for, you know, the living room slide, light switch here. We have, let's see here, Arctic Pack. It's got basically 12-volt tank heaters on it, water pump, gas electric water heater, the dual fuel generator start, stop, and hour meter here. Again, monitor panel there, dimmable light switch and stuff, all located right there. And then let's step outside here. I want to show you around the outside real quick. This one again was ordered with a very nice exterior paint job. Power step you heard going up right there. But they do offer a couple different paint jobs available when you order your RV. Talk with your salesperson about that as well. But you can kind of see that front end, how it does bubble up right there. We're going to actually climb up and check out the roof here in a second. The Girard power awning. Very nice awning system. Push a button, it goes in and out automatically. Has the LED light all the way out here. Very nicely done as well. This one again was ordered with the 4-point hydraulic auto level jack system. So you got 2 jacks right here. There'll be 2 more just behind your dual rear wheels back there. The little black dot looking thing right there behind the door is one of the side cameras. The 27-inch smart TV that was ordered on this one out here. Storage underneath of this section right here. Electric outlet, the gas electric water heater right there, and your furnace also right there. And I like the fact that they actually painted those covers. Some brands don't paint the covers, they just stick them on after they do the painting of the main body. There's also a light up there that I forgot to turn on, a little porch light. On around to the back side, a very nice painted rear end here as well, the way they did this. In the top center up there is the rear camera. There is also a gas line hookup down here, so you can plug in like a portable grill or something. There's a dump handle, a couple dump handles actually down here on the right side, which the stuff goes out the driver's side over there, but the handles are actually over here, which is a little different. Most of the time the handles are usually on the other side. There's hot and cold low point water drains down there as well. You have a 2-inch towing style hitch receiver right here and a 7-way Bargman wiring plug. There is also a black tank flush back here as well. Now let's step up the little ladder we got right here and take a peek at this roof for you, so you can check this out. Now this is a fiberglass roof. I like the fact that they did a fiberglass roof here, but you can see this one has a solar panel on it. There is a maxi cover on that big turbo exhaust fan vent up there. Your AC system right there, TV antenna, plumbing stack vent, couple roof vents, and your skylight. But the whole point of kind of getting up here really was to show you there's quite a few items up on the roof of your RV. There's also the antenna in the very front of that fiberglass cap up there. But you got to get up here from time to time, maintain your seams and your seals and everything, and make sure that you keep up with your roof maintenance. And you want to also keep up with the maintenance even around like those running lights and tail lights, that backup camera. All of that type of stuff has to be sealed up and maintained so that your RV lasts you for a long time. Going on around to this side right here, we have 2 slide outs over here. And you have slide out awning covers on both of these already. That's very nice. It helps shade the room, repels a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, that type of stuff. So I like the fact that they made those standard. Outside utility shower also right here, hot and cold water. Detachable 30 amp power cord, your city water and freshwater tank fills, cable outlet, all right here. Now right down below here you can see the generator right here. 4,000 watt generator. Again, dual fuel setup. Storage compartment area right here as well. Got a nice light and everything in there. More storage down below right here. A little bit of storage behind your sofa area right there. And then just down below that is going to be the propane tank area right there as well. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below on the new 2026 Sunseeker model here. Do you like this paint job? I think it's pretty cool. They did a really nice job on this paint job. Do you like that new bubbled up front end cap? What do you guys think of that? That's a little bit different. Again, rolling on that Mercedes chassis, very nice. All right, let's step back inside here real quick. I want to show you what it looks like in road mode, so you kind of have an idea here on what's happening. So right there, step came back out for us. Again, screen door, it's on a shock assist so it don't swing open out of your hand. And then when you close up this slide out back here is the Schwintech slide system, or Lippert in-wall slide it's referred to. That is this button right here. So when you close this up, oh yeah, I forgot. You got to go hit the button on the ignition. I got a safety thing on there. Let's see if we can do this without making it beep and go crazy on us. Probably going to beep and go crazy on us. So it's warning, my jacks are down. It doesn't want us driving off with the jacks down. But this comes in. It's pretty simple to do. Kind of move your stuff out of the way. So the mattress is basically a two-piece kind of wedge mattress. Settles back down, so you can kind of see what that looks like there. You got full access to get back to the bathroom, and you can kind of get to your closet area as well. And then we are going to also, let's just hit this retract all button here so we can shut up the beeping here for a second. So my jacks are coming back up, the RV's settling back down right now. And right back over here on your control is the other button. Let's push this one here to bring this room in. So you guys kind of get to hear all the noises and stuff that these things make as they move in and out and everything. All right. So we're done. So my jacks have come up, my slide outs are in all the way, and I am now ready to hit the road once I unplug the power cord and close up the awning. So very, very nicely done here. Again, easy to get up and actually kind of do what you need to do with the rooms closed. So if you're stopping at that rest area, or you're stopping to get the groceries or whatever, you can walk through there and load things up, not a problem. All right, guys, thanks a ton for sticking in with me to watch this whole video. If you've made it this far, you are greatly appreciated. If you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button. If you haven't done so already, please remember to subscribe, and do yourself a huge favor. Check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They are one of the largest RV dealers in the country. They should definitely be able to help save you a lot of money on a new RV. Thanks for watching.